Which sword did I use?
Move right.
Your hero must survive. Navigate the maze under 6 statements. Double check your indentation. You will only need one wild true loop containing 4 commands in this level. So it looks like I have to go right, up, right, up, right. Really? I don't know about that. Why are we doing...
Move right. Move right. Move right. Move right. Move right.
She gonna die.
Move right. Move right.
We're gonna see if we can do this in 2 statements. Because if we're just moving right and up, we should be able to do it like this. So you go right, right, up, right, right, up. I think.
Move right. Move right.
Yep. We can do it in 2 statements.
Move up. Move right.
Those rats running around?
Move up. Move right. Chashin. Move up.
We did it!